welcome to Taste and Vlog. I'm your host Sobia. I am so excited about the video today. We are visiting a very cool place in downtown Kansas City called Parlor KC. In my personal opinion, I think they've revolutionized the dining experience in that they've created kind of a one-stop shop for all of your culinary needs. So today I won't be tasting just one dish from one restaurant. I will potentially be getting, 5 different things from 5 different restaurants, all located in one building. So I'm really excited about this video, and I hope you really enjoy it as well. Hey guys, I just arrived at Parlor KC, and they seem to be really packed. I'm gonna go ahead and go in and order, and I'll keep you posted on what I get. Parlor KC, and I decided to order from 3 different places. Sorry I couldn't get the camera to get, all of the food on the table, but I sort of picked a table in the corner so that I could be out of the way, and also I'm just getting used to talking to the camera in public and people looking at me while I do it. So I'm going to try to show you what I got from the 3 different places. This is a stir fry from a Korean noodle bar, and the guy recommended a spicy sauce on top. Next I went to a place called Taco Tank, and I got the asada fries, and it looks like it has some chopped onions and tomatoes and some melted cheese on top. And then lastly, I went to a hot chicken place because I do love spicy food, and that place is called Mother Clucker, and I got one of the medium spice sauces on top of the chicken fingers. So I'm just going to keep the camera rolling, and I'll taste all of them and let you know how it is. I'm going to start with the Korean spicy stir fry, Korean noodles. Chopsticks. Oh, that's really nice. It's sort of a sweet and spicy at the same time. Yeah, it's very good. It has some sesame seeds and spring onions on top, and some caramelized onions. It's quite nice. bites, but it still has kind of a sweet and spicy taste at the same time. But very, very good. The noodles are, it looked like he made them fresh right in front of me, and I really like it. I like the texture. Alright, so next we'll try the asada fries from Taco Tank. Look at that, that looks really good, doesn't it? Oh. Oh wow, that's really good. Sorry, I'm a little overwhelmed with the flavor. Extremely delicious. The steak seems very fresh and lean. And it looks like it has some melted cheese. That is super impressive. Very good. I bet their tacos are actually really good. They were sold out on a lot of their tacos, and I can see why, because if it's filled with this sort of lean meat, it probably tastes really good. Very good. Lastly, I will try chicken fingers. There's actually a few people behind the camera staring at me right now, so I'm going to try to do the best I can. This is a hot chicken, so if my face turns red, you'll know why. But it's very spicy. Chicken tenders don't have a lot of salt. It's just kind of an explosion of spice in your mouth, but it's not very salty. But the batter is very good, extremely crispy, and the taste overall of a good chicken finger, it definitely has that. So overall, experience is really good. I would say that this place is kind of like a fancier cafeteria, but just imagine a cafeteria that's packed with all local food, local beer, and yeah, I think the experience was good. My order came fairly quickly. They have a system set up where you order at the counter at the various places you want to try, and then they send you a text message when your food is ready. So I really, really like that system because you don't have to wait in line. You can walk around to the next place or get a beer while you wait for your food, and then once you get a text message, you can go grab your food. So overall, I would say this place is a 10 out of 10. Hey guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.